So hi everyone, welcome to channel, and today I'm going to make an amazing announcement. So for this particular batch, people were demanding for this batch since a very long time, and they were saying that obviously you are supposed to take this particular batch. Obviously you should bring this particular batch, and here we are, guys. So based on all of your demand, we have published a batch called as Generative AI with NLP, Agentic AI, and fine tuning. So we all understand that as a company, that how important this generative AI is, and that too in a current situation, in a current world. So where we all are pivoting towards a generative AI, we all are pivoting towards AI especially, and we are trying to solve every kind of a problem with the help of AI. And obviously, generative AI is a integrated part of the entire AI ecosystem, and there are many opportunities are available. There are many jobs are available inside a generative AI, plus inside a generative AI. So there is a again different kind of a segment like RAG, agentic AI, fine tuning, lots of algorithm, its architecture, everything comes into a picture. Now keeping that in a mind, guys, so we are here to make an announcement that we have launched a new batch. Now this is not a very first batch for generative AI. So we have a generative AI available in Hindi, as well as we have a generative AI available in English. So in both the mode, plus live and recorded both. So if you're going to go, if you'll go and search, you will be able to find out. So this is a new batch, so where I'm going to take classes along with Imran and Bapi. So I'm going to take a majority of classes in this one, and the start date for this particular batch is going to be 8th March. So it's not very far from today. So again, in next 2 weeks, so this batch is going to start. Timing for this particular batch is going to be Saturday and Sunday, 4:30 p.m. IST to 6:30 p.m. IST. So maybe in a future, so I'm going to shift this particular timing a little bit before, because one of my batches is going to finish, so I will be having a bandwidth. So maybe there is a chance that in a next like after launch, in next 2 to 3 weeks after the launch, so maybe I will try to shift this particular time from 4:30 to 2:30, so that we will be able to spend more and more time inside the classes. But yeah, as of now, this is a timing, and anyhow batches are going to happen on Saturday and Sunday. So all the discussions are going to happen on Saturday and Sunday. Now here, so if I'll talk about a syllabus, so in a very detail, so we have curated this entire syllabus starting from a basic, starting from an ABCD. So where first of all, you all are going to learn a NLP or its relevant concept, whatever libraries is required to process a data, to process a text or any other things. So each and everything we are going to discuss over here, and then we are going to talk about in detail, in depth, and this is one of my favorite section, guys, by the way, a discussion about the architecture. So whether it's a transformer, self-attention, multi-head attention, encoder, decoder, RNN, LSTM, GRU, so everything, whether it's architecture of a generative, or I can say GPT 3.5, GPT-4, GPT-4 Turbo, or maybe any other architecture, so which is the popular one and which is available inside a market, by which we are able to solve a problems. That's my favorite part. So obviously I'm going to discuss about it in very detail and in very depth. Now, so then we are going to start a core generative AI part. So we are going to talk about the LLMs with the help of our different kind of platforms which is available. So everywhere, if you'll go and check this entire syllabus, so whether it's a vector databases, whether it's a RAG based application, whether it's a agentic AI based application, whether it's a fine tuning, in detail, in very depth, we have mentioned each and everything inside this syllabus, so that nothing should be left behind. And here, so you will be able to find out that everything we have already mentioned, and everything we are going to discuss even inside your live session. So hope all of you are feeling excited. Again, if I'll talk about a price, so Euron is anyhow known for affordability, a super affordability. I don't think that in a current situation, in a current market, anyone is uh, like even closer to the affordability or affordable, that like affordability or the courses with the kind of a price that we are providing. Anyone in a market is even near to it, right? So price, if you are going to take this batch, is going to be 2,500, but if you have Euron Plus, everything is accessible. So we have like 40 plus courses, and all those 40 plus courses will be available for the entire year. So one student, one subscription, no if and but, and everything will be available to all of you. So description guys, inside the description, so we have already attached a link, so please go check out. There are so many courses in a live mode, in a self-paced mode. There are so many projects, there are so many books you will be able to find out. Plus on app store, you will be, sorry, play store, you will be able to find out even an Android app. So again, so in some day, so even app will be available on an app store. But yeah, so as of now it's available already on play store. So please go check out, and you can download the app, you can join and enjoy the entire classes, whether it's a live, whether it's a self-placed, even on a mobile device. So with that guys, thank you so much everyone. See you again in my next video. Hope all of you are going to show some love, all of you are going to like this particular initiative, like this particular batch. And yeah, so let's meet, let's try to join this particular batch from 8th of this next month. So 8th of basically March. With that, thank you so much everyone. See you again in my next video.